Welcome back to Howenic everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to dispute a transaction on Cash App. If you're having issues with your transaction or payment that you made within Cash App, you can add in or set up a dispute so that the Cash App support team can help you out. Now here I've just opened up the offshore article from Cash App, as you can see, and it shows you the detailed steps that you need to follow in order to create or set up a dispute. So it says right here, how do I file a dispute? You need to head over to the profile section inside of the Cash App on the top right of the screen. And inside of the profile section, you'll be able to see the section called support. Inside of support, you'll find different solutions to your problems. On the top of the search bar, you need to search for dispute a purchase. Once you search for dispute a purchase, you're going to need to select and start a dispute. Once your dispute has started, this chatbot will open up, so your information will be automatically added in. If not, you'll need to add in the information of the dispute that you want to start. Now, other than the chat, what you can also do is directly call the support team of Cash App. It says right here, you can call our support team at this number, available from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you prefer a phone call over chat, you can directly call this number to file in your dispute. Once your dispute now has been set, in order to track it, there are further processes as well. Here it says under how do I check the status of a dispute, it says go to the activity section, which is the clock icon on the bottom right of your Cash App, and then select the Cash App transaction being disputed. It may take about 10 business days in order for the Cash App team to solve your dispute. It also says if the Cash App team are unable to solve your dispute within 10 business days, they will provide you a provisional credit on your Cash App account. Until then, it may also take 45 days to complete the entire investigation and complete the dispute that you just created. So those are the steps that you need to follow in order to dispute a transaction in Cash App. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.